Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English to score 100. First, understand the exam structure and scoring. Knowing what's expected is half the battle. Next, assess your current English level honestly. This helps pinpoint areas needing improvement. Finally, set a clear, ambitious target score like 100 to keep you focused and motivated throughout your study journey. This foundational step is crucial for effective learning. Now let's dive into active learning. Immerse yourself in English every day by reading diverse texts, listening to native speakers, and actively participating in conversations. Consistent practice across all four skills, reading, writing, listening, and speaking, is vital. Don't just passively consume, actively engage. Utilize authentic materials like news, podcasts, and films to make learning enjoyable and relevant to real-world usage. To truly excel, target specific skill areas. Dedicate time to mastering grammar rules and systematically expanding your vocabulary. For writing, practice various essay types and structures to refine your expression. Boost listening comprehension by exposing yourself to diverse accents and speaking speeds. And for speaking, engage in regular conversations, perhaps with a study partner or tutor, to build confidence and fluency. Consistent, focused effort yields the best results. Finally, consistent review and exam simulation are key. Regularly revisit all the material you've covered to solidify your understanding. Crucially, take full-length practice tests under strict time conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, meticulously analyze your mistakes to pinpoint areas that still need work. Develop and refine effective test-taking strategies to ensure you perform your best on exam day. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.